Taliban's return to power raised fears among Afghans that they will forcibly recruit youngsters to groom them for terror activities. The United Nations has already raised the issue. High Commissioner for Human Rights Michelle Bachelet has urged the Human Rights Council to take bold actions after the Taliban's return to power raised fears over brutal rule previously enforced when they were in power, reported International Forum for Rights and Security, reports ANI. Under the Taliban's previous regime, thousands of Afghans under the age of 18 were enrolled in terrorist groups. The recruitment process forced than voluntary. Human rights bodies reported at the time they were first brainwashed and then given training on the handling of weapons and finally sent to war. Certain children barely 6 years of age were even used as child suicide bombers. The United Nations tried to retaliate by ratifying the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child in 1994 that made such recruitment illegal. The Taliban never bothered to respect the convention. And the fear in the country today is that the Taliban may once again conscript children forcibly. Given their links with Islamist terrorist groups, the ordinary Afghans do not rule out the possibility of the children being shared by them all. Human Rights Watch reports that the Taliban began to force children into their rank in 2015. They simply took children from their homes, raised them in military-style camps, trained them in operations and used them for various exercises including armed attacks. There have been cases where children were used to planting improvised explosive devices or used as suicide bombers. The HRW study reported way back in 2016 on the basis of information from the ground, in Kunduz province, the Taliban have increasingly used madrasas or religious schools to provide military training to children between the ages of 13 and 17, many of whom had been deployed in combat. The report said the Taliban recruit and train children in 8 specific stages. The first stage begins when boys are as young as 6. The indoctrination begins with the study of religious subjects under Taliban teachers for up to 7 years. In the next stage, when the boys are around 13, Taliban-educated children have learned military skills including use of firearms and the production and deployment of IEDs. In the final stage, Taliban teachers then introduce those trained child soldiers to specific Taliban groups. Taliban began to expand its military base and operations in 2015. It felt the need to recruit more soldiers. That is when the recruitment of children began in large numbers. They targeted children because it was easier to convince them of the righteousness of jihad, whether they understood it or not. It is said the Taliban training camps or madrasas for children were mostly located in Kunduz province. News Desk, Comedy Global.